Warranty management should be one of the most significant components of repair and maintenance software. In particular, a warranty management system will have different components of warranties, different meters. The unit's profile should have the ability to track different types of warranties, whether from the dealer, the service center, or the particular part, each one being measured at the same time. Automations should drive efficiencies so that your mechanics and your techs are not being slowed down by having to chase parts. Warranty tags, while can be printed out and be helpful, often do not contain enough information for that warranty to be filed. Make sure that your system provides complete traceability so that you can answer to your vendor or to your dealer when that part was installed, when it was purchased, who installed it, so that you can claim both labor and parts on your claims. For example, your tech should be alerted that part or component is currently under warranty. Then we should know how to easily print that claim form. Later, once the claim is filed, it's nice to know at what stage that claim is at. Has it been sent, received, processed, and have we received credits or money back? On our website, you'll find more information relating to warranties, warranty claims, and processes, or give us a call. We'd love to help.